Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 7 Guided Project 723. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete Simulate project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 7 guided project 723. We move to the main project tab guided project 723 and next is we move to the main project tab and step number 1 is open the place placer shield start the file, click the enable editing buttons. The file rename automatically included your name and change the project file name directory your instructor save error for cells because the argument formula missing. So I have already downloaded the Excel 2021 chapter 7 guided project 7 to 3 and I have already enabled editing. And next is question number 2. So question number 2 is select the agent sheet tabs, agent name and data display. So select the agent sheet tabs and select the display the data. And next is find and clear the find and clear the data validation settings and click the find and select buttons and choose the go to special and select the option button for data validation. So find and clear data validation settings and click the find and select button home tab editing groups. So go to the home tabs and next is editing groups and click the find and place find and select the buttons and choose the go to special. So choose the go to specials and next is go to special and select the option button for data validation and select the data validations. So go to special and select the button data validations and next is select the option button to data validations and click OK. No cell agent sheets have a validation criteria and click OK. No cell VR refunds, click OK. So we move to the next page and next is click OK message box and click the comparison sheet tabs. So go to the comparison sheet tabs and next is click the find and select buttons home tab editing groups and choose the data validations and cell with the validation setting highlighted. So find and select the box. So go to the home tabs, go to the editing groups and click the find dialog box and select and choose the data validations highlighted. So select the data validation, go to special and click the data validation highlighted and click the data validation buttons. Verify the settings tab selected the current criteria whole numbers greater than and click OK. And next is go to the data tabs and click the data validations and click the data validation buttons and data tools. Verify the sheets and the current criteria whole number greater than or equal to 10, whole number greater than or equal to 10 and click the clear all on the setting tabs and leave the dialog box. So next is click the clear all on the setting tabs and click the clear all, and next is set the validation criteria with the error alerts. Verify that the following cell worksheet selected it C9 to C12. So C9 to C12, and next is H9 and H11. So next is uh, H9, H11, and H30 to H14. H30, H40, and next is last is H16, H16, and next is close the data validation dialog box and select the and click the data validation buttons and click the data validation button. Close the dialog box and select the data validation buttons and click the and go to the data and data validation buttons, clear all, and next is click the allow arrow and choose the decimal on the setting tabs. So click the allow arrow, choose the decimal, and next is decimal setting tab and click the data arrow greater than or equal to greater than or equal to greater than or equal to, and click the minimum box type 0, minimum box type 0, and next is click the error alert tabs and show the errors. Enter the selected box and verify the stop display as a styles. So click the error alerts and select the error alerts tab and show error alerts. Enter box, selected it, stop, and next is verify the stop, display the styles, and title boxes type to the require. So title boxes type require, and next is click the error message box and please enter the positive value. So type the please enter a positive value, enter a positive value, and next is click OK. So next is display the developer tabs on the ribbon its own show. So display the developer tabs, and next is select the developer box, display the developer tabs, and select the option command files, option command files, option command, and customize ribbons and developer box and click OK. Developer box and click OK, and next is so select the file tabs, and next is to the option and customize groups, option and customize ribbon, and select the developer box and click OK. Select the developer box and click OK. And next is insert the spin button from a control and show the gradient on the worksheets, and insert the control buttons and spin button from a control and draw the control directory overlay. So insert the spin button from a control, insert the spin button from a control, spin button from a control. So spin button from a control, show the gradients on the worksheet view tabs, and so insert the control button developers and click the spin button from a control, draw the control directory I21 to I22, I21 to I21 to I22. I21 to I22. So question number 6 is complete, and we'll move to the question number 6 and right click the control and choose the format control. So right click the control and choose the formats, right click and format a control, and next is click the minimum value box control tab and type once. So minimum value is type 1 and control tabs and type 1 minimum, and next is set the maximum value of 8. So maximum value is type 8, and these are agents identification number 1 through 8. The increments page change is the one to click the spin buttons goes and click the cell link box. So click the cell link box and select the H22. So spin box is to H22, and the next is so verify 3D shading box selected it. Verify the 3D shading box are selected it, and next is click OK. The link cell display the minimum value 1 and click OK. And next is click the I23 and deselect the control. H23 and deselect the control buttons. So next is use the index formula to display the agent name and verify the active cell H23 and click the lookup reference buttons and formula tabs and index and select the array number arguments groups and click the array box and click the agent sheet tabs and select the A2 to A7 and click the row number box and selected its H22 and click OK and center the cell H23 and turn off the grid lines. So turn off the grid lines, and next is to the H23 and lookup and reference buttons and choose the index or array array row numbers and column numbers argument groups, and click the array box and click the agents sheet tabs. So insert the index functions in cell H23, type is equal to, and type the sorry type the index functions, and verify the active cell in cell H23, and lookup reference buttons formula type function library groups, and click the choose the index and select the arrow, and click the arrow box to click the agents sheet tabs, and then select the A2 to A7. So insert the agent functions, so go to the agent worksheets, and next is type to A2 to A7 the last name, and next is to A2 to A7 agents array box to agent sheet tabs, select the A2 to A7, and click the row number box selected, type the I22, and then click OK. So go to the comparison worksheets and select the H22 and close bracket and press enter. So result is video, and next is center the line in cell H23. So select the H23 and go to the home tabs and center the alignments and click the centers, and next is turn off the grid lines. So go to the view tabs and turn off the grid lines. So question number 7 is complete, and so if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.